Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can connect this Google Pixel Watch 3 to a new phone or simply set up the watch and pair them with your Android device. So in the beginning, unlock your smartphone and launch the Google Play Store. Here look for the Watch app or Google Pixel Watch to be precise and get it installed. Now we can go ahead and launch the Google Pixel Watch app. Here, press continue. Then grant the app with all necessary and essential permissions. Obviously, make sure that your Pixel Watch is switched on or powered on, which you can do by pressing and holding the digital crown button. So make sure that it is switched on and you see this interface in front of your eyes. Now here, choose your Pixel Watch from this list of available device your phone can be paired to. Now check whether this pairing code checks out, and if it is same on both Pixel Watch and your mobile phone, and if it is, press the pair button and now wait for a few seconds here. You can sign into your Google account. Now decide if you would like to copy your Google accounts to your watch or not. Here, input your Google account password, which I'll quickly do off camera. Read and accept terms of service. Now, if you want to, you can learn more about the limited warranty of Google Pixel Watch 3 in your particular country. You can go ahead and do that here. I'll skip this step and just tap the continue button. Here, select or set the watch orientation, both the wrist that you'll wear it on and the digital crown position, so you can rotate your watch 90 degrees if you would like to use it upside down perhaps. So yeah, just select which wrist it will be worn on and where will be the digital crown, or just the crown button. Now hit the continue. Here decide if you would like to set up the Google Fitbit. I'll skip the step for now. Decide whether you would like to enable and set up the Google Assistant on your Pixel Watch. Then, if you would like for it to listen for Hey Google voice match. Now you can lock the screen of your Pixel Watch or set up a screen lock. You can either go with a 4-digit PIN or pattern. Let's say I'll go with pattern, for example. Now you can set up the Google Wallet as well, which I'll skip for now. You can select apps that you would like to download on your Apple Watch. So here, for example, you can just check all the apps that are installed on your smartphone, and the apps, if those apps are available on the watch as well, you will be able to install them from here, all of them at once. You can also see the list of recommended applications, or promoted applications rather, which you can also download to your Pixel Watch. As you can see, we are almost ready or almost done. Yep, so the watch is ready. You can now start using it. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.